this second video on fractions addition and subtraction, I will use slightly more complicated algebraic fractions. Let us try to subtract these two algebraic fractions, a plus b over 6 minus a plus b over 4. To do that, the concept is similar to fractions addition. I will have to convert the denominators to the same expression. So in this case, I will convert it to 12, and to do that, I can multiply it by 2, and I will do the same to the numerator. For the second term, I will multiply by 3 in the denominator and I multiply by 3 in the numerator. Take note that when you multiply by 2 or 3 in the numerator, you will have to bracket a plus b, because the multiple of 2 or 3 is done to the entire a plus b expression. So after that, I will have a 2 bracket a plus b over 12 minus 3a plus b over 12. And since a plus b are common in both terms, I do not really need to expand it out. So I will have 2 minus 3, and that's a negative a plus b over 12. And keeping to usual algebraic rules, I will want to write the negative outside the fraction. So I'll write that as minus a plus b over 12. Now let us look at another example. Okay, say we have this 4 over 3c minus 3 over 2c squared. To subtract these two fractions, I will have to make the denominators the same. So 3 and 2 will have a lowest common multiple of 6. So to do that, I got to multiply by a 2. And see that in the second term, you have a c square. So I'm just lacking a single c in the first term. So I will want to multiply by a c also in the first term. So I'll do the same thing to the numerator. So after I multiply, I will have 8c in the numerator, and I will have a 6c square in the denominator for the first term. And subtract, and for the second term, I have a 2c square, so I will need to multiply by a 3 to make it a 6c square, and then I will have to multiply by a 3 again in the numerator, and that will give me a 9. So combining these two fractions, I will have a 6c square, 8c minus 9. And that's the answer for the subtraction of these two fractions. Take note that you can't cross out the c. The reason is because the c in the numerator is only available in the first term, and it is not a common factor for both terms. So that's the reason why you cannot cancel it off. So to reverse it, the final answer is just 8c minus 9 over 6c squared. Alright, thank you. Please watch the third video for even more complicated example. Thank you.